Now a local pretty miraculous rescue.
A South Milwaukee man who died during last month's blizzard is now talking about what happened. Patrick Palantonio has the exclusive interview.
Back here, come, here.
Buddy and Ted, a pair inseparable since they first met.
Get it.
What they have is something special.
She's very attached to me and about as attached as I am to her.
A bond that goes back 5 years when Buddy walked into his life as a puppy. A life she wouldn't let him leave.
How many people get saved by their dog?
Ted Moss is one of them. In early February, Ted and Buddy found themselves in a tough spot. The snow was swirling, the wind was whipping, the blizzard was brutal. That night, their truck got stuck in the storm.
Why were you out?
I don't remember. I can't recall why I even went out into it. I tried to think about it and I just can't come up with anything. Just everything's a blank.
What he's been able to piece together is that he and Buddy left the truck behind and headed out on foot. They made it 2 miles and just 2 blocks from their house when Ted ended up in the snow.
I knew she wouldn't leave my side, that's for sure.
Buddy went hunting for help. Nick Langenfeld heard the barking outside his door and in the early morning hours followed Buddy to the snowbank where Ted came to rest.
Seeing a man face down like that is a terrible sight to, behold. It's absolutely horrible. I thought I found a dead man.
The paramedics that tried to, get me into their vehicle, they said they couldn't get my arms to bend down. So they said I was pretty frozen. All my clothes are frozen to me. They had to cut everything off.
You flatlined?
Yeah, twice they said I flatlined.
Ted was brought to the hospital where he says he was out for days. In that time, people tried to wake him up, but it didn't work. And then Buddy entered the picture.
My brother said, let's bring his dog in. She could probably do something, and they brought her in, and as soon as she started whimpering because she saw me, they said I opened my eyes.
The improvement continued. Less than a week after coming to, he left the hospital.
I'm walking out here all the time, and I'm getting a little stronger every day.
He calls it a miracle.
This is a higher power that had my dog do what she did to get Nick out of the house and then have Dr. Lieber work on me and say, we're not going to give up on this guy. He's going to walk out of here.
And return to the Buddy who's always by his side. In Milwaukee County, Patrick Palantonio, WISN 12 News.
Ted was in the blizzard for several hours before he was found. He had a body temperature of 68 degrees, and because he had no ID on him, he says he was John Doe for the first day after he was found. A month later, he has chest pains from the CPR, but no major injuries.